All right, guys, this is an example you'll find on the quiz on Tuesday. Yesterday, I was grading the homework. A lot of students, they're getting the wrong point from the equation. So it's very imperative that you have the correct point, because if you don't, then you're going to be starting on the wrong point, the wrong location of the graph, and then your graph is going to be wrong. Okay? So looking at this equation, you know that you're going to have an 8 and a 5 as your point. The key now is to make sure that you have the correct or the right signs. Now, as I said before, whatever sign you have in the equation, just flip it for your point. In the equation, we have a positive 8. All right, we have a positive 8. Therefore, you're going to have a negative 8 as your point, as your x coordinate. All right. In the equation, you have a negative 5. Therefore, you can have a positive 5 as your y coordinate. All right? So that is key. You got to make sure you have the right signs. Now, looking at your xy plane on the graph, your starting point is going to be negative 8, 5. So I go left negative 8, and I go up 5, which is going to put me right around here. So that's my starting point. Next thing you're going to need is your slope, where m is equal to 1 over 2. Now, using rise and run, you know I'm going to go up 1 unit, up 1, and then right 2 units. 1, 2. So that's going to be my second point. Oops. That's going to be my second point. Let's go with another point. I can go up 1 and across 2. 1, 2. So that's going to be my third point. All right. Now, our next action is to draw a straight line through those points. All right? And make sure you put your arrows on the end. Okay? So just to review, given a function and we're asked to draw a line, make sure you have the correct signs for your points. You know your points are going to have 8 and 5. All right? And just reverse the signs that are in the equation. So in the equation, I have a positive 8, so you know I'm going to have a negative 8 in my point. I have a negative 5 in the equation, so you know I'm going to have a positive 5 in my point. All right?